Purchase your tracks today.
This is just me showing my succulents a little bit of love before we get into the video. Some of them have been shipped to me, so they were kind of like crusty and drying out when they got to me. So now I have to like just check on them daily, spritz them every other day, and give them more sunlight than usual. If you guys are here for plant content for some reason, let me know and I will do a video on how to take care of my succulents. This is the wig stand that I use for my wig head. This was actually a set that came together on Amazon. It came with T-pins, the part that I am putting on the edge of the windowsill, as well as the wig head that I am about to present to you all. And the circumference of this wig head right here is 23 inches around. I'm pretty sure my head is bigger than that, but I didn't want to measure my head, I was lazy. Alright, let's get into it. This is the wig that we are reviewing today. It is from the What Lace collection by Sensationnel. The name of the wig is Janelle, and I got it in the color 1. It is a 13x6 unit. It is a lace front unit, meaning that there is lace from ear to ear and a deep parting space. Here's what the wig looks like straight out of the box. There's the stock card, and it does come in a variety of colors. And the first thing that you can notice is the luster, the shine, the movement, the body, okay? Second, the lace. Look at that. That is something you call magical lace. Here I am showing you more of how much lace they give you to work with. The inside, the parting space is very deep, and you'll see it at the end of the video. It looks really, really good. It does come with the 3 standard combs and the adjustable strap. This is what it looked like on the wig head. I'm just tilting it forward to show you I didn't do anything to it yet. I'm about to. But if you chose to wear this wig out of the box, look at this, man. You be said, it's still cute. How many synthetic wigs can still be just cute out the box like this? Not many. We're gonna give them their props. Now what I am doing is showing you the clips I'm going to be using to separate the hair as I get ready to customize the hairline. Now, as I said before, this is not a unit that needs to be customized, but if you choose to do so, this is kind of what you'll be getting in. So after securing this wig, what I'm going to be doing is messing around with the front sections of the hair to see what part of the hairline behind the pluck part needs to be plucked. If you pay attention closely, you'll see like the thinned out hair towards the front, and then there's a harsh line of hair right behind it. That's what we're going to pluck to make it look a little bit more natural. So when I move my hand, you're going to be able to see the slight difference as the video progresses when it comes to plucking. You never want to pluck horizontally, always want to pluck vertically. If you pluck horizontally, you are going to, 1, make it look like you're balding. 2, it's just not as natural as the method that I am doing, which is plucking backwards, more like in a vertical way. So say you had your wig on your lap and the front is facing away from you. You're going to pluck backwards and kind of in straight lines, just so that way it looks a lot more natural and it mimics the way that hair grows into your scalp. Now what I'm going to do is take a pick or a wide tooth comb, and I'm going to start from the root where I was plucking, and I'm going to work my way down. Usually when detangling hair, synthetic or human, you always start from the ends and work your way up. But being that hair would have bunched up where I plucked, I wanted to make sure I got that down the shaft of the hair first. And there's the little bit that came out from when I started plucking. And then after I looked in the camera, I was like, okay, no, it still doesn't look natural enough for me. So I went back into the sides and plucked some more. Went back through the detangling process. Alright, here's a close-up of me plucking again to show you guys how much of a difference it makes if you do decide to put in that little effort. Once again, this is not mandatory. I do just want to put out there as well, I am not, okay, N-O-T, I'm not a professional. I am not a cosmetologist. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm just someone that does things my way when it comes to beauty, and it works out. So here we go, the finished plucked product of the hairline. As you can see, it looks a little more natural than it did when it came out the box. I try not to do too much work. Oh my god, nope, just kidding, I still got eyebrows. Whoop, y'all thought. Anyways, we're gonna go with the Got To Be spray. Spray it across your hairline. This is gonna seal the wig cap to your skin, so that way you're able to then glue the wig onto your wig cap and protect your edges from being pulled out from harsh glues. Yeah, that's me with my blow dryer. It's pretty crappy, but it works. Or if you don't got a blow dryer, you can just use something like that. But I'm using a blow dryer. Once completely dry, you want to cut 2 ear holes and put your ears through it, and then you're going to put another layer of Got To Be. What it would look like. This is me trying on the... If that's where the hairline started. And here's a hump in the back of my head, because I have a bump in the back of my head because my head's big, and I'm pretty sure somebody dropped me when I was little, but that's okay, it happens. So that way you guys would see how it's gonna look. I just took out my AirPods so I could like bobby pin my twist back. I don't know where it's from. Is that coming from inside of my ear? By the way, this is not a application video. This is not a how-to video. This is me just showing you a little bit of the process. If y'all are interested in how-to videos when it comes to applying wigs or styling wigs or even customizing it, let me know and I'll do a video going more into detail. Alright, so I finally finished the wig and this is the end result. And I gotta say, I love it. I think, like, I'm usually not one for straight hair. Anyone that knows me knows that I'm a curly hair person. But I love when there's layers in straight hair. I love when straight hair is, like, very dark, and that's usually what I go for unless I'm doing, like, a blonde. But anyways, the wig that you see on my head today is this wig right here, this Synthetic Beauty Janelle. This is from the What Lace collection, 9 Swiss Lace What Lace collection to be exact. I'm going to be putting the exact amount that I paid for it. You actually get like a really good amount of parting space. So I will be keeping updates and documentation on when I decide to style this wig. It is also holding a claim that it can take heat up to 400 degrees, and I'm just gonna say I believe it because I always apply heat to my synthetic wigs and I don't think I've had a wig burn yet. So until then, I'm just gonna keep doing it. So I definitely think that the claim is probably true, especially sensational wigs. They're very pretty, but getting them to last is usually the issue. Being that this feels like it's just a different quality than what I've bought for the last couple years, I do think that it's gonna end up, you know, being a keeper. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys know about that. All right, and I am 5 foot, like 5'5" or 5'6", and this is where it comes to on me. This is where it comes to on me. Okay, all right. Wow, this is cute. I like this. I like this. This is called a showstopper, is what it is. It moves. It's luscious, you know. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking out my content. If you do like videos like this, be sure to leave a comment down below. And you can also suggest other things that you are interested in seeing on this channel. Please don't forget to like, dislike, subscribe, do the things that will let me know how y'all feeling, you know? I want to continue to bring content that you actually want to watch. But yeah, I enjoyed hanging out with y'all, and I'll see you guys next time.